Here's some Singapore Sling trivia. Subscribe. What is the main spirit in a Singapore Sling? Is it A, rum, B, vodka, C, tequila, or D, gin? The correct answer is gin. Which bar is famous for the Singapore Sling? Is it A, Hard Rock Cafe, B, Mandarin Oriental, C, Raffles Hotel, or D, the Ritz? The correct answer is C, Raffles Hotel. What fruit juice is used in a Singapore Sling? Is it A, orange juice, B, lemon juice, C, cranberry juice, or D, pineapple juice? The correct answer is D, pineapple juice. In which country was the Singapore Sling created? Is it A, Singapore, B, Indonesia, C, Malaysia, or D, Thailand? The correct answer is A, Singapore. What is the key liqueur in a Singapore Sling? Is it A, triple sec, B, cherry brandy, C, blue curacao, or D, amaretto? The correct answer is B, cherry brandy. What year was the Singapore Sling invented? Is it A, 1920, B, 1935, C, 1915, or D, 1945? The correct answer is C, 1915. Who is credited with creating the Singapore Sling? Is it A, Charles H. Baker, B, Ngiam Tong Boon, C, Harry Craddock, or D, Ernest Hemingway? The correct answer is B, Ngiam Tong Boon. What color is a traditional Singapore Sling? Is it A, blue, B, red, C, green, or D, pink? The correct answer is D, pink. What soda is optionally added to the cocktail? Is it A, club soda, B, cola, C, root beer, or D, lemonade? The correct answer is A, club soda. What garnish is commonly used on a Singapore Sling? Is it A, mint sprig, B, lemon wedge, C, orange slice, or D, cherry? The correct answer is D, cherry. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.